So my nails are looking really rough right now, so we're just going to do this together. So hey guys, and we're back at it again with another video. And today we're gonna show you how to do a gel manicure at the house. So I know like nail shops are open and stuff and you can go get your nails done, but I feel like for me it's just still not safe to go. That's why I'm gonna show you guys how to do a gel manicure so you guys can do it at the comforts of your own home. And I also want to say, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So before we get into this video, do me a favor if you haven't already and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna show you guys the things that you're gonna need. You're gonna need nail polish remover, and I would recommend buying acetone that is pure acetone, nothing with the colored stuff. I feel like personally the colored nail polish remover, it just doesn't work as well. And I know it's supposed to be healthier for your nails. Some of them they put like this one, it has natural coconut, avocado, and olive oils. I feel like this stuff just doesn't work as well. And sometimes they say that it helps and nourishes your nails. At the end of the day, acetone is a chemical, so I don't think it can possibly help strengthen and nourish your nails. Okay, like I said, you're gonna need some acetone, and then you're gonna need some rubbing alcohol, along with a cuticle cutter, a nail pusher, a nail file. We're gonna get a buffer to buff your nails. I'm gonna use these two colors today. So this is a OPI, a pink OPI color in the shade Mad About You. I don't know. And then we're gonna use CND Shellac, and this one is called Romantique. And then you're gonna need a gel base coat. I like personally using Entity, and then I have this gelish foundation, which is the base coat. So you're gonna need base, top, and then you're going to need some sheets of rubbing alcohol, some sheets to put the rubbing alcohol. So that's this right here. And yeah. Oh, and then you're gonna need to get a LED or UV light. I have this one. This is from Gelish. This is a LED light. LED lights dry faster than UV lights, so you're gonna need that. And yeah, so let's get started. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna fix the camera so it's down more so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna file my nails to like the shape that I want it. I'm gonna do square brown today. If you have a Dremel like this, you're gonna need this if you want. Some people don't like to use that, but it's fine. So yeah, so I just shaped my nails, and then now I'm gonna go in with this cuticle cutter. Oh, cuticle pusher, I'm sorry. And then we're just gonna push back our cuticles. So I'm just gonna push my cuticles back. Like so. And then if there's like any cuticle on your nail, just push that back too. But it doesn't matter too much because we're gonna go back in with the Dremel. But do you guys see all that cuticles coming off? Okay, bam. Okay, now that we did that, I'm gonna go back in and just redo a little bit of it just to get it all off. Okay. Let's see. Now I'm gonna go in with this. So we're gonna use the cuticle cutter, and then we're just gonna cut off all the cuticles. Make sure you're close to the cuticle line, but not too close because you don't wanna cut yourself. Now that we're done with the cuticles, we're gonna go back in with the Dremel, and then we're gonna use the Dremel to take off any excess skin and cuticles that's on your nail bed so that the nail polish lasts on you and so that the application is nice and clean. After I'm done using the Dremel, I like to go back in with my cuticle cutter once again to cut off any excess skin that I missed. So I'm going to continue to do this on my left and my right hand. Now that I'm happy with the way my nails look and the way that my cuticles are cut, I'm going to go in with my buffer, and I'm going to buff my left and my right hand. Make sure you buff it thoroughly and remove all the shine from your nails. By doing so, this ensures a perfect application. Now we're going to go back in with rubbing alcohol. This helps take away any of the oils that are left on your nails to ensure that your gel manicure will last. Okay, now we're going to go in with our gel base coat. The key to a successful application is to get as close to the cuticle line as possible without touching the cuticles. If you get any excess gel polish on your fingers, just wipe it away with the corner of your nails. Make sure you get the free edge as well. Right here, I am still applying the base coat. I just wanted to zoom in a little bit and slow it down for you guys so you guys can see how I'm painting it. It's easier for me to like lift up your finger if you're doing it yourself so you could see the left and the right corner so you don't miss anything. And be sure to also hit the free edge so that the polish will last on the tip of your nails as well. As you can see here, I'm wiping off all the excess gel polish that I got on my skin with the edges of my nails. Now I'm going to plug in my machine so I can dry my nails. And for this step, since I'm using a LED gelish light, I'm going to go ahead and dry my nails 2 times under this light. And that's going to be for 60 seconds. So it's going to be 30 seconds each time. Now that the base coat is done, I'm going to grab my polish color that I'll be using, and then I'm going to apply the gel polish the same way that I did with the foundation, which is the base coat. So we're going to put it in the middle of the nail, we're going to push up and pull down. The key to this is to make sure that you apply thin layers. If you apply your layers too thick, that will cause peeling and lifting before the 2 weeks. Once I'm done with the first layer of the polish color, I'm going to go ahead and stick my hand in the UV light and then dry it again for 60 seconds. So we're going to do 30-second increments. So we're going to dry our nails 2 times once again. And we're going to repeat this step each time we dry our nails in the UV light or the LED light. Now that we're finished with our first layer, we're going to go back in with our second layer. So remember, the key to a successful application is to go as close to the cuticle line as possible without touching it. And then we're going to go ahead and finish the rest of our fingers the same way. Once we're done applying the second layer, we're going to go ahead and cure it once again in the UV light. I wanted the color of my nails to be a little bit lighter, so I'm going to go back in with CND Shellac Romantique for a third layer, and we're going to reapply this the same way. Be sure to get any excess gel polish off of the brush and wipe it off in the bottle, and then we're going to just reapply a thin layer once again to the rest of the nails. I did this color on my cousin 2 weeks ago and I really loved it, so I decided to do it on myself today. So once again, we're gonna dry our nails for 60 seconds. We're almost done, guys. Now we're gonna go in with our top coat. My favorite top coat is the one I'm using here, which is Entity. And we're gonna apply this on all of our fingernails. Be sure to get the free edge once again. Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry, my camera actually ran out of memory, so I had to stop the video, and then I ended up doing my right hand off camera. But basically in the last clip you seen, I was putting on the top coat. So when I put on the top coat, after I was done with that, I put it in the UV light and then, or the LED light. And then I dry it 2 times because mine is a gelish machine and it's for 30 seconds and I like to make sure that it's fully dry. So I dry it for 1 minute, so that's 2 times. And so I did my right hand off camera, like I said, and my right hand is harder for me because I'm a left hand, but I'm a lefty, but it still looks good. So basically I'm gonna just give you guys tips on how I painted my right hand since I didn't get that on camera. I paint my nails, my right hand, so I'll get the base coat and then I like to like use the table for like guidance. So then I put my hand like this and then I just move my hand left and right like this, and then you polish, and then you go down to the cuticle line and then you go up, and then when you go like this, it's more steady for you to paint this hand like that. So then you go like this and like this, and then once you're done with the manicure, I like going back in with a nail file and then I like to file the edges. And one really good tip is when you file, you get under the nail like this. So you're gonna go under the nail like this and then file down, so it's gonna be like this on the sides. Like lift up your nail and go under at like kind of like an angle like this to get the edges. And then when you're done with that, like with the base coat, the polish color, and the top coat, you're gonna go in with your rubbing alcohol, and then you're gonna put this on your sheet, and then bam bam, and then you're just gonna wipe away all the tackiness. And once that's done, all you have to do is really apply lotion, and bam, you guys, there you go, there you have it. That is a nice and easy gel manicure. And I know there's a lot of products that you can buy. I personally like gelish. I like D&D, and I also like CND. So you guys can go check out those colors. But if you guys are first starting out, maybe I would recommend something on Amazon that's like a little bit cheaper, so that once you're actually really good at it, then go buy the more expensive stuff. That's what I personally would do. And I know it's hard to do your right hand, but honestly, it's just practice. The more you practice, the better you'll get. And yeah, so then now you guys can do your gel manicure at home. And I will actually leave in the description box all the products that I use, so you guys can go check it out, and you could go check it out on Amazon if you'd like to. And if you guys do attempt to try to do the gel manicure yourself, you can go on Instagram and send me pictures of your nails so I can see how you guys did and maybe give you guys more tips on how to do it. And I really hope that the voice override on my clip really helped you guys. And overall, I just really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys learned something from it. So remember, stay savvy, stay positive, and stay blessed. Bye! I'll see you guys in the next video.